Distance from wall, I'm going to say 13 7/8. Going that way, it was 5 feet. Now I have to mark this and cut a circle. So there's 5 feet. Looking for 13 7/8. Let's see if I can do this left-handed. So I'm going to say that's it. And I'm going to drag along here. And I'm going to intersect it. Intersect it there after I draw a line along my edge there. Making a mark at about 2 1/8 because I want about a 4 1/4 hole. Put a compass in the center of my mark. I just need to knock that out.